This happened to be a tofa or gift for the batsman, or in fact the Karnataka Bulldozers side. It was way too down the leg side. Wicketkeeper did a decent job to stop this one, but a run added to the total nevertheless.
Oh, that's more like it. He's getting the ball in the right place. Madhavan, who's acted in cult movies like The Three Idiots, The Rang De Basanti, and also a film like Guru. So I don't really know the names of the Tamil movies that he's acted in, but he's a massive crowd puller. That's a good ball. Oh, that might have hurt a bit. A full-blooded straight drive, and Madhavan showed no intention of fielding it with his hands.
Well, she is happy. That group is happy. Obviously, they're supporting the Karnataka Bulldozers. A little more cheer, ma'am, and you may just get that award tonight, the Selcon Cheer Champion Award.
Good ball again, sir.
Well, that's massive. That's what Madhavan was brought back to. The strong gold pendant is as reminiscent of how a strong performance the Karnataka Bulldozers have put across at the Chidambaram Stadium.
Well, what a formidable victory. I think they have overhauled the score, and it's been outstanding.